Hey Troxers, we're back with another video tutorial on our creator kits. Today we're going to show you Neri the Swan. And Neri the Swan is probably my favorite packaging. I'm a little biased because I designed it with the help of friends, but this is, yeah, I don't know, just kind of worked out great. We're going to be going from the instructions. This is actually the first draft of the instructions. And we're going to follow the instructions exactly on how to build Neri the Swan. And so to make things a little quicker, we've gone ahead and made our tetras and octas, so the pieces we need here. And then we're going to follow the steps to construct Neri the Swan. If you need help constructing the tetra or the octa, you can look at the tutorials on how to make a tetra and how to make an octa. So the instructions suggest we need 6 white tetras. Those are our 6 white tetras. We need 1 white tetra with 1 black trox, 1 orange tetra with 1 black trox, and then 2 white octas, and that's 1, 2. So our next step, so our very first step, is to build the swan body. And so to build the swan body, we're going to attach 2 white octas with 2 white tetras. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm just going to set this here, and we'll set our swan package aside. So I need the 2 octas and 2 tetras, 2 white tetras. And so I'm going to go ahead and attach a single tetra to the octa. I'm going to attach a second tetra to that octa. Let's see. And these are real freshly made, so they hold really sturdy. And so now we've got a spot for our octa to fit, so I'm going to place that octa in there. And I like to attach one face at a time. It makes it easiest. And so a little bit of a wiggle and twist. And then I'm going to do the other side. This is becoming really sturdy. This form right here is the same tessellation as the crystalline structure of diamonds. So really sturdy. All right, so this is what the instructions are saying is our swan's body. So next we need to build the swan's neck and attach that to the body. So let's go ahead and build the neck. So the neck is 2 tetras put together. So let's go ahead and put these 2, and I'm gonna grab one of these. I can tell this is a really fresh one. So there we go. So this is the swan neck, and it shows it attaching to the swan body. Let's see. Shows it attaching to the back of the swan's body here. So it looks like it's almost kind of hidden. So if I attach there, it feels pretty sturdy. So you can see here on step 2, that looks like what we've got. All right, and so I reattach that a little bit. If it comes undone, no worry, you can just replace it. And one of the things that helps with keeping your Trox Creator Kit sturdy is following this lock tab suggestion and unlocking these little tabs so they hook better together. So step 3 is to build the head by connecting the white and black tetra to the orange and black tetra. And that's going to make the swan's beak. So we do that. I take the black faces and I connect them with the black faces. And you get sort of a yin and yang of black on the swan head. So now, step 4, we're going to attach the swan head to the swan neck. Let's go ahead and do that like so. I bet you can see our swan taking shape quickly now. So this is looking a lot like a swan. But if we want our swan to stand up on our desk, we're gonna add some, I don't know, I'd say, I like to call it a tail feather, and that's step 5. So we add some support wings. And the spot where those support wings are is on the back of our swan. So you can just pop a tetra here. And then one more. And then you have a standing Neri the Swan. So I hope you found it as fun as I did to make your own Neri the Swan. If you found that to be pretty easy, try your hand at another creator kit, or see if you can use the pieces from Neri the Swan to create some other white, orange, and black creation. You can also use them with your other apprentice packs and mastercraft kits to make larger forms and maybe give your swan, I don't know, I guess you could use some blue Troxes to put your swan on a lake. Catch us in our other videos and look forward to new creations all the time on Troxes.com. Thanks.